Oh shoot! I was gonna film and I totally forgot I had my curlers in my hair. Whoops! I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. I got the curlers out. I do not know how to use a curling iron because I suck. Anyway, let's get into it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Adorkable Rachel and it's time for another episode of Rachel Reacts! Well, we have another teaser trailer out. This one's for something I didn't realize was coming. It's for Birds of Prey, the movie. And I'm not super familiar with the Birds of Prey storylines. I know it has to do with the DC ladies, a lot of them. And interestingly, it does not appear to have a lot to do with Harley Quinn from what I saw, but Margot Robbie is in all of the thumbnails and she is Harley Quinn, which to me kind of makes sense because she was the best part, if not the only good part of Suicide Squad. So I'm excited to see her at least. But yeah, whatever they show, I probably will miss whatever it is they're gonna show. And it's only 30 seconds long. What? Guys, the thing says Birds of Prey teaser number 1 2020. It's January 2019. Why is this teaser trailer needed? It's coming out in 2020. I'm sure that the trailer could come out later this year and we would be just as hyped. Oh my god, this is so petty. But hey, reaction videos seem to get views and I need some of those, so let's watch it. Also, I was gonna pick out something to wear, but I was already wearing my unicorn onesie and I was like, you know what, why not? It's a unicorn kind of day here at Adorkable Land. Except for the fact that every day is unicorn day. But I'm not gonna wear this because I want you to see my face. Alright, it's only 30 seconds, which means it's probably about, you know, 10 or 20 seconds, because they've got the time cards at the end sometimes, you know, sometimes. Here we go! Birds of Prey, the teaser trailer. Margot Robbie! Harley! Stuff. People I don't know. Yay! Oh, she's so cute! Shortest reaction video on Adorkable Rachel ever. Oh god. So my laptop is okay. You know what? It's a short reaction. Why don't I show you how I react to videos? It's actually kind of a mess.
Barelyos is here to check it out too. So basically, I'm sitting on my bed and I'm shooting this with my phone. This is my setup to get the eye line that I want, to make sure you guys can see my face and everything. It's sitting on my camera bag with books, and then my laptop, and then there's my camera.
The more you know. The footage itself was 17 seconds long. I of course recognized Harley, and I saw a woman with green and an arrow. Was that like the female equivalent of arrow? Kinda, maybe. I'm sorry, I'm not as familiar with DC as I am with Marvel. And there were some quick shots of people and their faces and Ewan McGregor. And that really cute shot that looked like a music video of Harley Quinn. Sure, it's a thing. That was a thing with people. Didn't show you really anything except for very quick faces and it didn't give you a chance to absorb a whole lot, but okay. I don't know what else to say. Sure, I'll see it. I'm always down to see these movies. I'm down to see anything Margot Robbie's in, especially if she's Harley Quinn again. Birds of Prey 2020. So that's my very short reaction of the Birds of Prey teaser trailer. So now, what did you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. Who's in the trailer? What did I miss? What's going on? Who's Ewan McGregor playing? I obviously haven't done as much research afterwards. Just let me know. Keep me in the know. And of course, let me know what other trailers coming out do you guys want me to react to? Well, go ahead and leave your comments below. Be sure to like and share. And if you're new and like what you saw here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the little bell button down there to get notified when new stuff comes out because I make new videos every week. Bye, Adorka buddies. I'll see you soon.